You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the official full name for what is known in English as latte. That's the official Italian full name. So let's go through how to pronounce it in Italian and how you can easily say it in English. Caffè. Caffè is how the Italians say it, with a really open E sound. Caffè, with a stress on that E syllable. Caffè latte. Because there's a double T, you don't want to stress on that double T. So caffè latte. Caffè latte. Or in English, caffè latte. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.